The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname the lungs of the earth. Although it's one of the wettest places on Earth, there are some parts of the Amazon that don't get rain for months. It's home to an estimated 390 billion trees and 1 in 10 known species on the planet, making it the most biodiverse place in the world. Believe it or not, there are still uncontacted tribes living deep in the Amazon, completely isolated from modern society. The Amazon River, running through the forest, is so vast that it discharges more water into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. The Amazon is full of wonders and mysteries, making it one of the most fascinating places on Earth.